Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fib Time Zone, full guide. Open your device's clock settings and locate time zone options. Start by selecting a primary zone and add additional zones for collaborators. Configure automatic sync and choose a reliable time server to avoid drift. Test updates by changing zones and confirming timestamp consistency across apps. Use short intervals when monitoring synchronization to catch issues early and fix them quickly. Begin configuring zones by creating clear, descriptive names for each location you track. Choose the correct UTC offset and enable daylight saving adjustments when relevant. Assign zones to specific apps or workflows to keep timestamps consistent across tools. Test each zone by creating sample events and verifying they appear at expected local times. Keep the list minimal to reduce confusion, and document your chosen naming convention for team members to follow consistently. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite offers crisp text and long battery life for reading documentation or guides on the go, and it fits nicely in a laptop bag. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To keep time accurate, configure a trusted NTP server and set reasonable sync intervals. If you notice drift, perform a manual synchronization and inspect network latency or firewall issues. Check device battery and power settings that may affect clock stability. Compare timestamps across devices to identify outliers and consult logs for recurring errors. When needed, reset the time zone entry and re-add it to clear configuration corruption and restore consistent behavior for all users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.